Hi, I'm Dan McTeague with tomorrowsgaspricetoday.com, TGPT TV, here to give you the prognosis as to where gas prices can be expected to go this week from November the 14th all the way up to Wednesday, November the 20th. Well, as we've said in our 1 week sneak peek prediction, last Sunday, that'd be November the 10th, expect prices the following Sunday to go up, and in fact, they're on track to do just that. And that's because while U.S. inventories show a massive build in crude, the same can't be said for gasoline. You don't put crude in your gas tank, you put gasoline and diesel, and guess what? They're just not producing enough, and as a result, prices can be continued to, there's a continuation and an expectation of prices to rise. And that'll start really from Thursday evening into Friday. That would be the 14th into the 15th. Expect a 1.2 cent a liter increase pretty much right across the country. That would start, of course, with the exception being in the Maritime Provinces, which have seen a 2.5 cent a liter increase, and will see so on Thursday and Friday as a result of their regulated system. So if we're looking at Newfoundland, prices going up there by 3 cents a liter Wednesday into Thursday. That'll remain firm until next week. We expect at the end of next week those prices will increase yet another 2 cents a liter. Ditto for Nova Scotia and ditto for New Brunswick. PI, of course, a bit of a bizarre situation there. They change prices once a month. People think it's a great thing. Frankly, they're getting ripped off, but we'll leave that for another day. Quebec, we've seen a restoration in Montreal. On Wednesday afternoon into Thursday, as we predicted here, prices shot up from an average of $1.28, $1.29, all the way up to $1.36. We expect those prices to come down to $1.32 by the weekend, maybe $1.31 in some places. But remember, wholesale prices are rising to reflect market realities and changes there. It also means that in Quebec City, prices should remain in the vicinity of $1.29, $1.28 over the foreseeable future. Into Ontario, prices will increase from Thursday into Friday by 1.2 cents a liter. We also expect from Friday into Saturday another 1.5 to 2 cent a liter increase. So you could be seeing prices in places like Toronto as high as $1.26.5 to $1.27 by Saturday and Sunday. So best to gas up if you're getting this today or other days, November the 14th, Thursday, gas up today because the prices will start to rise. We've seen an increase in the Manitoba-Winnipeg markets. Overnight, they increased about 4 cents a liter, as we had predicted, from $1.11.9 to $1.15.9. We don't see those prices being sustained because they're really the result of retailers trying to get back a little bit more margin. They're not happy with 6 cent a liter margins. They want 10, and that usually doesn't last too long. Saskatchewan, a bit of an anomaly. $1.15 in places like Regina, $1.11, $1.10 in Saskatoon. That's really nothing more than a play there on retail margins being squeezed, especially in Saskatoon, with companies like Costco and others offering gasoline below cost. Now, out in Edmonton and Calgary and Alberta, we look for prices to be pretty stable. We've seen prices as low as $1 even in Edmonton, $1.04, $1.05 in Calgary. Look for those prices to remain, although there's a good chance that by the end of the week and into Monday and Tuesday, and here we're talking about the 18th and 19th of November, maybe even earlier, prices could shoot up as much as 5 cents a liter for the simple reason that the retail margins are so skinny that they become uneconomical. So Edmonton could see prices back in the 105 range by Monday and Tuesday, and at Calgary from the 108 to 110 range. Now going over to British Columbia, we're looking at prices remaining in the lower mainland at $1.29, $1.30 for Vancouver, and for Victoria in the 119 range, but we kind of think that that'll probably increase to $1.21, given again the inflation in the wholesale prices. That means that over the next week, if you're gassing up, the earlier gas up, especially on Thursday, might be the best day to pick up some fuel, because for the remainder of the week, we're looking at incremental increases in the order of 2 to 3 cents a liter, taking us right till Wednesday, November 20th, at which point we'll be back here again to give you an idea where prices can be expected to go as we near the end of November. Well, I'm Dan McTeague. That's a wrap for this week at TGPT TV. We'll see you next week.